Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is going to be day 2 of 2-4, solving equations with variables on both sides. So we're just going to do some more practice here. My suggestion would be for you to totally pause the video right now, work out these two problems, replay it, and watch my pen strokes. I'm not going to do much explanation here since this is the same as yesterday, and see how you do. All right, make sure you're being careful with your subtracting and your dividing and all that stuff here. Again, suggest you pause this, work it out, combine your like terms, solve it, and let's see how you did. Remember here that I can rewrite this with the m on the side of the fraction instead of having the m in the numerator there. Two-fifths is smaller than 2/3. Okay, so you move that over. Instead of having that 5/4, you could have 1 1/4 or 1.25. Oh, I thought I had another one here for you. I do have another one here for you. I'm going to go ahead and add this in here, ladies and gentlemen. This will be number 6. All right, let's see how you do with this one. There are infinite solutions to that equation. Okay, let's move to your handout for day 2. It should be on the back of that handout from day 1. And let's write some equations. Remember, when we're reading this, we are trying to write my unknown for whatever I know the least amount about. So when you're reading this, notice they're telling me a whole lot about Chris. They aren't really telling me a whole lot about Nora. Okay, so I'm going to say that Nora is going to be n. So Chris has saved twice the number that Nora has saved, plus 6. It also says that Chris has saved 5 times the difference of the number of quarters and 3 that Nora has saved. 5 times the difference. Now, are we talking about 2 different Chris's or the same Chris? Well, these are the same Chris, so these things should be equal. They're the same. And now we're ready to solve. So I have that n is 7. Now we have to make sure we go back and answer the question that they each have saved. So Nora has saved 7. Chris, we're going to have to go back, take the 7, and we're going to have to put it in for either that n or that n. It really doesn't matter. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 6 is 20. So that will be Chris's number. This time we're talking about DVDs. We're trying to make a profit. Well, before you can make a profit, you have to break even. And if I'm going to break even, then my sales have got to equal my cost. Okay, first of all, for the cost here, I have $1,500 per day and then 80 cents for each DVD. Okay, I sell them for $1.59 for every DVD. If I want to make a profit, they're first going to have to be equal. So let's go ahead and solve this. So I have D equals 1898.7. So I can't have 0.7 of a DVD. So if I want to make a profit, I'm actually going to have to sell one more. So that will make me a profit on my DVDs. Okay. Last word problem here. We're talking about cell phone subscribers. It says, how long will it take for the number of subscribers to be the same? So how long? I'm going to use Y for the years. Okay. Alabama started out with that many, and they're adding that many every year. Wisconsin started out with this many, and they're adding this many per year. So go ahead and solve that. When I solve it, I get that Y is approximately 2.3 repeating. So how long will it take? It will take them about 2 1/3 years for this to happen. Okay. All right, go ahead and complete your notes check, and I will see you tomorrow.